Did you know that you can get data in Excel and give it your favorite name? For example, I like name Pato. I just get this data and I click Ctrl F3 button and I go to new under the name manager. Let me call it Pato K and I press OK. Close. Then I come and say I want to find the sum of Pato K and I close and I enter. This is the sum. When you go to compare with the sum of the data from my status bar, it already shows that is 2.183 million. The other way to confirm it is come and press Alt equal sign and it will give me the sum which corresponds with the sum of Pato K. Now, apart from the shortcut Ctrl F3, you can get name manager by going to the formula tab on the toolbar and then go to define name and then allocate a name to your range and you press OK. I hope you enjoy the trick.